When we experience chronic stress or traumatic stress, this has a significant impact on our nervous system, our health, and our well-being. So in our time together at the retreat, we'll be not only co-regulating with nature and with each other to bring ourselves back into harmony, but we're going to offer you empowering practices for self-regulation. The retreat is here at Yogi's Gardens. So we are far from the hustle bustle of the tourism scene in Bali. We're nestled in nature, right up at the base of the beautiful Mount Agung. We're surrounded with organic gardens. We'll be eating straight from the gardens to the table, 3 organic meals a day. We've supplied a whole plethora of nourishment for your nervous system so you can restore, rest, rewire, and renew. So it is our deepest desire here at Held to create a safe and supportive and nourishing environment. We look forward to journeying with you and supporting you in the restoration and the rewiring of your nervous system.